do you think we're so much worse than we were, say, a month ago in terms of the market action? We basically erased October's gains. What's the big deal?
I think the big deal, Melissa, not to make light of it, is really COVID. Even the uncertainties around the election and some of the disappointment over tech earnings, I don't think are the real drivers. I think that when you've got over 90,000 cases in the U.S., when you've got month-long lockdowns in France and Germany, which potentially could spill over, not just in health terms, but in economic terms to the United States, there are issues going forward. And so our third quarter GDP numbers kind of rearview mirror. When you look at the jobless claims and add pandemic assistance back into yesterday's number, it's still over 1 million. So, this notion of a V-shaped recovery, one, I think has been misguided from the start. And two, I think we're looking at a W and a K going forward where, it's very choppy, very, sluggish recovery. And then also those who do well do better and those who are not faring so well do worse. So I think that's really the order of the day, and that's what's got the market's attention at this juncture. Yeah, and Laureen, what an extraordinary week it has been in terms of not just the selling pressure, but the volatility spike that we've seen. The volatility index is up, 38% or so on the week. So how are you positioned going into the final couple months of the year, seeing that the elections are in just days and presumably, hopefully, we will have a clear winner in a matter of days as well?
Well, first of all, we expected the volatility that we're seeing right now. When we look back in September, we saw that the VIX contracts that were ending in October, we saw they were selling at a premium. So we fully expected this kind of volatility and had planned for it. And I think after the election, we're going to see the VIX come down. I think we're going to see a more stable market. And I think that we're seeing now potentially a rotation away from tech and into these other areas of the market that haven't seen the same kind of run-up. For instance, value stocks or even mid and small companies.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.